Hi, I'm Khai and I'm a senior manager at dsm-firmenich. I help some of the world's biggest food and beverage brands to develop exciting innovations for their customers. I work with our R&D team so that we can bring new products quicker to market to drive sales. I was initially based in the Netherlands, where I was a manufacturing engineer, participating in sales pitches where I had to demonstrate how our products really work sold me on moving from product development to sales. I've been with the company for 13 years and I've been in roles from a commissioning manager of manufacturing sites to an R&D technical center manager. What's meaningful about my job is that we are creating products which address real-world concerns like plant-based beverages for those who are health conscious or an additive for cow feed that reduces methane emitted by livestock. To be able to pick my customers' products off the shelf and say to my kids, "Hey, Dad helped to make this," really makes me proud.